VocabClass is built on the principle that spelling and vocabulary lessons should be engaging and fun. Our 35 game-based learning modules transform literacy acquisition into interactive experiences. But if that wasn't enough, VocabClass also offers an incredible game page filled with educational and strategy games. However, the only way students get to play these games is by redeeming game coins that are earned by being an active participant in VocabClass, which means completing and passing lessons and tests. As you can imagine, students love our game page, but we leave the availability of this feature up to you, the teacher. In your VocabClass teacher dashboard, you can control access to the game page as well as applying daily limits on the page.